Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. And if you are new here, I am Karovii and you are watching KTV Tube. Please consider subscribing to my channel and share with your friends and family. So today it is a very special video for me. It's an unboxing and review video. I have never done this kind of unboxing and review video before. So be patient guys and watch till the end. Hope you like it. And don't forget to like, comment, share and please subscribe my channel and please share with your friends and family. You can also follow me on my Instagram page. Link is on my description box. So let's get started.
Hello.
YesStyle sent me a winter gift set and from their winter collection. I just want to share with you all the products in this video. It's been 2 to 3 months I am working with YesStyle. So first of all, let's talk about YesStyle. YesStyle is an online shopping website. YesStyle offers the widest selection of quality beauty accessories and clothing and lots of lifestyle products from Japan, Korea and Taiwan and more at affordable prices. In my view, this is the best app to shop. I already unboxed them and I was so excited. I can't wait and I already unboxed them. So first let's go to see that and after that I will show you one by one. Wow, so many products on YesStyle. So just let's figure it out. Wow, what's this? My God. Is this cap? I think this is woolen shawl. This is woolen scarf, I think. And oh, let's figure it out, guys. I'm so excited. So first thing I'm going to show you my personal favorite, a maroon beret. So I have been wanting a beret for so long. I literally plan to buy this in this Christmas and color, love it. I really love this maroon color. Let's wear it first. I don't know how to wear this, but I saw lots of pictures and I don't know. I think okay, this is something, it's like tile maybe. So okay, how do I look? Pretty woman, pretty woman. Okay, so product is very good, quality is super and I really feel like Emily in Paris.
Oh no!
I will put the name of every product they sent me on my screen. I will also put in the description box as well. If you want, you can go through there. So next I am going to show you. I love this product. It's a beautiful panda. So yeah. This is very beautiful. At first I thought this was a pillow, but then I saw this. There is this zipper. So let's open it. And you got this beautiful blanket. Okay, I think you can use this as a pillow also. So let's talk about this blanket. It's very small, but I really love this. It's like a square size. Yeah. First thing, I love this blanket. It's very soft. You can't imagine how much I feel like sleepy right now because of this soft. You can cover it like this, and there are lots of panda pictures on it, and most importantly you can carry this while traveling, right? And also you can use this when you just sitting on the couch and watching Netflix, right? So next thing, I got this beautiful scarf. It's very long, and wait, I love all shade of brown color. It's very soft and quite long. Wait, I'll show you. It's quite long. You can wear it like this. Now I'm staying in Germany, and here it's very essential product for winter, and I really loved it. It's very give you warm. Yeah, I'm ready for the winter fashion. So I recently cut my hair, and especially for winter you really need a scarf like this. I just love it. I really loved it. So next thing, I got this leggings. It's black in color and Fuji from inside. I'll show you. See. It's very warm. And there is a half socks in the bottom part. This one, it's a half socks. You can wear it. Yeah, I just love this product. And this type of leggings is very essential for winters. I must say this, the quality of all these products are very high. I didn't expect that, but yeah, it's very thick and high. So next is this gray ear muff. Yeah, it's so fluffy, yeah. Don't judge me, okay? I really love this beret, and yeah, it's also matching my lipstick color. So I khuliboi mon jane cap to moi imane bhal paisu mane beret. But I khuli pelai dekhai diu. So this is the gray ear muff, and it's very fluffy. You can see the product, and this is from inside. Okay, this is also very thick. It's like a band. So this is very soft and looks so cute. And I never used this before, but I would love to use this definitely. So next thing, I got this beautiful avocado socks. Do you like avocado? I really love it. Agote মই যেতিয়া ইন্ডিয়া গৈছিলো তেতিয়া মই খোৱা নাছিলো বাৰু ইয়াত আহি মই খাবলৈ লৈছো avocado কাৰণ ইয়াতে কম দাম তাতে বহুতে দাম তাতেতো বিজনেছ চাইছো আমাৰ অসমত avocado মই কেতিয়াও দেখা নাই বাৰু মই বাৰু ইমান বজাৰ যোৱাও নাই আমাৰ বিজনেছ চাইলি বজাৰতে যাওঁ বাকি তেনেকৈ মই দেখা নাই I love this color. It's a cotton material and it's very thick and length is perfect for winter. These are very good quality socks. Okay, next thing I got these fingerless gloves. Aren't they cute? Yeah, I really like this. It's like a winter fashion. Quality is very good. It's woolen. Next, last thing, I got this hand cream. Wait. I already used this and wait, I'll show you. I have a very dry skin and now it's feel very soft and moisturized. Yeah, smell is good. It's like a lemon. Lemon, yeah, orange. Winter means dryness and my skin is very dry. So this product really worked. You can order it. So overall, I find these products are very good in quality and very affordable. You can also give this YesStyle website a try. Let me know in the comment section if you have also ordered something from them. So hope you like this video, and if you like it, don't forget to like, comment, share, and please subscribe my channel. And you can follow me on my Instagram page. Link is on my description box. I will see you on my next video. Till then, bye.